Hi everyone, today I will show you how to completely automate your order printing with the Auto Print for WooCommerce plugin. It automatically sends your WooCommerce orders to a printer whenever a specific order occurs. Let's get started. The first step is connecting your WooCommerce store to your Auto Print account. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Auto Print. On the Connection tab, you will see a link prompting you to generate an API key from the Auto Print dashboard. Click the link and it will take you directly to the dashboard. From there, open the API keys page. Enter a name for your key and click Generate Key. Once the key has been generated, simply copy it. Return to your WooCommerce settings and paste it into the API key field. Click Save Changes and you have connected your WooCommerce store to the Auto Print account. Next, click Fetch Printers to load all the printers connected to your Auto Print account. Select the printer you'd like to use. In the example, I'll choose printer 1. Finally, click Test Print to make sure everything is working perfectly. As you can see, the print job appears immediately in the Auto Print desktop application, and the printer starts processing it right away. Now that connection is complete, your WooCommerce store is ready to automatically send print jobs whenever an order matches your print rules. Next, let's move on to the Triggers and Rules tab. This is where you define when your orders should be printed automatically. You can create one or multiple print triggers by clicking Add Triggers. I will click to edit the existing one. For example, whenever an order changes to the processing status, the plugin can automatically print a thermal receipt using the default printer. You can also create conditions to control which order gets printed. Now let's take a look at the Templates tab. The plugin allows you to create multiple print templates for different purposes. For example, you can create a professional invoice for your office, a compact thermal receipt for your cashier, a packing slip for your warehouse staff. Each template can use its own layout and paper size, making it easy to support different printing needs. If you like to customize a template, simply click Edit Content. This opens the template editor, where you can personalize every detail. Choose the template you'd like to edit. Then you can upload your store logo, add your business information, display your contact details, customize the header and footer, and choose whether to show prices, customer notes, barcodes, or QR codes. As you make changes, simply preview the template before printing. Now let's see everything working together. Go to the storefront. I'll place a real WooCommerce order. Place order. Once the customer completes the checkout process, the order changes to the processing status. The auto print trigger detects the event automatically. Within just a few seconds, the receipt is sent directly to the printer. Here you can see that the printer is working, printing the order. Everything happens automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.